The Team Powersports 2018 Stunt Show.
Whoa, hold on there, announcer guy. Every year we show you awesome clips of motorcycles doing wheelies, but we've never shown you what it takes to put one of these stunt shows together.
What's happening, TPS fans? And today we are going to show you the ins and outs of the stunt show and what it takes to put them all together. My name's Will Stevenson. Follow me. Let's go.
So tell us what we're doing right now, Will.
So for all our events, typically we always have free food. And today we're going to Sam's Club to really stock up on all the supplies that we need to feed the general public and make everyone feel happy inside and full of food. I can't wait to smell those hot dogs and hamburgers tomorrow with the sun shining. I'm getting hungry already just thinking about it. Smell, I love it. And the smell of burnt rubber all over my parking lot. That's 600 paper plates. So many napkins for dirty fingers. We're about to get 5 boxes of hamburgers, and inevitably every single time we always run out of food, and we try to feed as many people as possible. But if we have good weather, all this is going to be gone like this. 200 beef patties.
All right, Will, what's 200 divided by 24?
61. It's always hard to get the proper amount of buns for the meat they sell, because they never equate them together. The packs for how many hot dogs versus the buns that you need. So we need 8 bags of hamburger buns.
8.3.
I got the buns.
Bring it on back. All of these food items here and that grill in the back of the Ranger.
Grill? Body by TPS.
Right.
Alright, we got it all set up. It was a long day, but we're ready for tomorrow morning.
We'll be here bright and early.
Bright and early to set up, to continue setting up and breaking down tomorrow afternoon.
8 a.m. on stunt show day. First one here. Time to get to work. Look who just arrived. It's world famous stunner Eric Trimmer. What is up?
About to do some ripping today.
It's amazing. The Team Powersports Stunt Show even brings out local celebrity Dodge Rider.
Hi, Sarah.
Here we are at the 2018 March, last day of the month, Stunt Show event. And the reason that we do these events is to kind of give back to the community and customer appreciation. You know, if we feed so many people and put on a good show and just try to get people to come out to the store, have a good time. It's not about a super sales day, but we try to just give people a reason to come to the store and celebrate the passion of power sports.
Whoa, good catch.
That was amazing.